So hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So in this video we are gonna solve this question, which is evaluate reverse Polish notation. So basically what the description is saying that evaluate the value of an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. Valid operators are these. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. Division between two integers should truncate towards zero. It is guaranteed that the given arcane expression is always valid. That means whatever the expression they have given to us in the problem statement is will be the always valid reverse Polish notation, right? So I think this is a very, it should be an easy level question, but let's solve this question. And so over here we can see that we want to return an integer, right? So we want to return an integer. So I think so in this question we are going to use a stack. So with the help of a stack, we are going to solve this question. So how we are going to solve this question? Let's say okay. So tokens is given as an input, right? So first element is 2, right? So what we will do? We will push into the stack, right? Next is 1. Then again we will push into the stack. Next is plus, which is an operator. So whenever we have come across an operator, then what we will do? We will remove two elements from this stack. That is nothing but the top element or the second top element, right? And then we will do that operation and we will put the result answer into the stack. Let's see with the help of this example. So when we now you can see that the next element is an operator which is plus, right? So what we will do, we will remove these two elements from the stack. So uh, our remove element 1 would be nothing but 2, and our remove element 2 which will be nothing but 1. Then our result would be nothing but the remove element to 1 plus remove element 2, right? And then we will push that result into the stack. So we have popped out these two elements, right? So now our stack will look like 3. And next, that 3 has k. Now our input is 3, right? So we'll push it into the stack. And now multiply, which is an operator symbol, right? So now we will remove these two elements. So again my remove element 1 would be 3 and my remove element 2 would be 3, and resultant one nothing but remove element 1 multiply by remove element 2. So our stack is now will become, and we will pop out those two elements, and after the successful operation the stack will have only 9, and that is what we want to return. So we want to store integer in these we want to store integer, right? Because we want to return the integer, right? So this is what the dry run of this algorithm. So I have explained the algorithm. Now it's time to write the code. So first of all, I'll take a stack which is of integer type, right? After this, okay, after this I will take two elements as 0. Let's see when we are gonna use this. We are taking two global variables, right? We are taking two global variables which are a and b, right? And now what I will do, I'll run the for loop over these array, right? Because I want to get this 2 and then 1, the next time this plus, the next time this 3, right? So that's why for a string I'll run the loop over this, I'll run the loop over this string array tokens, right? So if my t dot equals is plus, if that is an plus operand, sorry, if that is an plus operator, then what we need to do, we need to pop two elements and then push the resultant, right? So we will stack dot push stack dot pop plus stack dot pop, right? Next is else t dot if t dot equals if that is our multiply, right? We have only these four symbols. If that is our multiplier, then stack dot push stack dot pop multiply by stack dot pop. Then else if t dot equals minus, if that is the minus operator, then stack dot push. Then first of all I need to get the first peak element of the stack, and next we need to get the next which is next top element, right? And then I push that stack dot push b minus a, right? Else if t dot equals divide, right? Then a equals to stack dot pop and b equals to stack dot pop and stack dot push b divided by a, right? Else else if r if t is equals to n operand, right? Then what we need to do, since our stack is of integer type and our input is of string type, right? So we need to convert our string into integer. So stack dot posh integer dot pass int t, right? And then after this finally we want to return this whatever present is at the top of the stack, right? So we want to return this 9. So finally our output would be stack dot pop, which is nothing but 9, right? So this algorithm was this. Now let's run the code and see if there, yeah, it got accepted. Now submit the code. Yeah, so yeah, so finally it is successful. Now the time complexity of this code is, since we are running a for loop, so the time complexity would be O of n, and since we are using a stack and stack so that space complexity would be also O of n, right? So that's it for this video, and if you have understood this question then please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye tata bye bye.